Hi, I'm Brad with Family Handyman. Today we're going to talk about the nuisance that is mold, why it's bad, and what to do about it if you have it. So it can affect both your home and your health. Mold spores are everywhere, and given the right conditions, they're going to take root and grow on just about any surface. But don't freak out. Unless you have a weakened immune system or a severe allergy to mold, you're going to be fine. All you have to do is clean it up. And you need a few things to do that. First of all, good old household bleach. That's going to kill the mold. And you can mix it up about half a cup to a quart of water. You can put it in a spray bottle, or you can do it in a bucket and use a sponge. You might even have to use a scrub brush. And then to actually remove the mold, you're going to use dish soap and water. So if you've got a large infestation of mold, you might want to consider calling in a pro. But if you're going to clean it yourself, be smart about it. Take some precautions. A pair of long rubber gloves is a great idea, because bleach it's a harsh chemical, and you don't want it if you're going to spend a lot of time dunking your hands in it. Also, goggles to protect your eyes from splashing bleachy water, and a serious respirator. Much has been made about the type or color of mold, specifically black mold, but in reality, the color of the mold or what type it is makes no difference whatsoever. The bottom line is it still has to be removed. Now, if you decided to take the cleaning on yourself, if the mold is on porous surfaces like drywall or carpet, don't even bother cleaning it. Just remove the stuff and replace it. And again, if it's going to be too big a job, hire it out. For more tips, tricks, and advice, visit familyhandyman.com.